Alright, hello everybody, Miokien here, and I'm here with a tutorial on how to effectively resize your videos in Fraps and, not in Fraps, in Sony Vegas, and tell Sony Vegas what part of the screen to record, or the recorded video rather. So I already have my files loaded in. I have the background you see in my Pokemon videos. If I lower the opacity, you can see it right there, and I also have the video I recorded. So first thing, I'm gonna want to make the and also this is behind the scenes on how I actually edit my Pokemon videos. I'm gonna want to get the top screen of this going on. So I go over here into event pan crop on the video file, and you see I just have this. So if I move this around, you can see that it'll go into different parts of the video. So basically what I want to do, and it helps to zoom in, is get this to go on only the top screen. Get it as close as you can, you know, with no black pixels or anything. And it's really nice, a really good tip that you might want to keep in mind is, I believe it's here somewhere, you don't want lock aspect ratio. I believe if you do that, yeah, it basically does it proportionally, kind of. I don't know the word for it, but you don't get as much control in moving it. It's really frustrating, at least it was for me. And then I basically just move this until I get it to show only the top screen and a little preview there. And move it down. And that's it. You can save this by hitting the save preset, and then you can save it as whatever you'd like. I already have it saved as auto screen 1, so that automatically fits it. And then what I do is go to track motion on the same video. You can close out of that, by the way. And what I'm doing here is basically just moving it to fit in this little box here. If it helps, you might want to mess around and prevent scaling your X, which means I can just go like that. Or if you'd like, prevent scaling with your Y, which means I can just go like this, which is very nice. Just keep that in mind so you can get it as cute as you'd like. I find it so much easier, but yeah, that's just me. And again, once you get it where you like, save it, and I already have it saved as auto screen 1, so then it's there. As you can see, it's a little off, but oh well. What can you do, right? Make sure I'm actually getting that. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. And then what I do is I copy this, I paste it, and I essentially have the same thing. I normally do this in a little different order. It's a little out of order just to show. I'm going to hit Control U, and what that does is separates the audio from this file so that I can delete it. Otherwise, the audio is doubled and it sounds really bad. So now we have this. Basically I'm gonna do the same thing here. Hit track motion on this one, and I want to show the bottom screen, so I can probably just bring this down here and make a few adjustments and get it to show only the bottom screen in the preview. Get all that black pixels out, and there we go. Then save that. I already have it saved as auto screen 2. Then I'm going to go into track motion and do the same thing that I did with the top screen. Just resize it a bit. And let's see. That's how I want it. That doesn't fit in the box at all, but whatever. Again, I have it saved to auto screen 2, and it automatically fits. And that is basically it. That's everything that I do to get everything where it is. So it's really easy if you actually save everything. Then, you know, I bring in my other footage that I have here, save on my desktop. Is this the same thing? No, it isn't. I don't believe. Let me make sure. Yeah, okay. So again, just go through the same thing, and you can actually just easily copy paste the settings. I'm going to copy this in as well. Delete its audio. Perfect. So if I want to get the same settings on this part of the video that I did to that, I can hit Control and go here, copy, and whoops, sorry. Don't want to copy the video file like I did. You want to copy once it's done loading. Alright, once it's done loading, you want to copy, not cut it, copy, and go to this and paste event attributes. That's basically gonna do all the magic for you. Also make sure to extend the little template or whatever you have at the bottom of the video, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for here, and that's it. I'm done. I just repeat, yeah, rinse and repeat, and I'm pretty much done. That's my whole editing process. How to resize your videos, how to set fraps to fraps. Why am I always saying fraps? Set Sony Vegas to render a certain section of the video, and gonna do the same thing here. Again, remember to delete the audio by hitting Control U, separating the video from the audio and deleting the audio from there. That's very important. You never want to have the audio doubled in your video, or else it will sound very bad. And alternatively, you can always just bring in all the video files you want, then selecting them all by holding shift while on one, and then pasting them. But I just do one at a time because, you know, it's the same thing, but why not? So yeah, that's the whole video all done. Yes, thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully this tutorial was clear enough. If it wasn't, tell me and I'll record another one. But yeah, hopefully it was. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it useful, and I will see you guys next time.